Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's this video, I will tell you about how you can set a custom ringtone or how you can change a ringtone in your device Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So in this device, if you want to set a custom ringtone or if you want to change a ringtone, you can easily do it just by following the few steps as I will show you in my this video. Before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end, and you will learn how you can do the ringtone settings in your device. Let's watch the video.